Hello guys, welcome back into the first video of the recap trading. So what we're gonna do today is try to trade the Asian session. Oh my God, the Asian session. For the people who already watched the first video of the channel, already know that I have a really big problem to pronounce the Asian session. Today my bias is I think we're gonna go lower, like very probably. So let's see for some trades. I believe we can push through those levels here. Also yesterday um, I took this trade, and after this one I said there is no way for me to trade again because probably the market is going to retrace down, but it was too risky for me. I was already in profit, so there was no need for me to take other trades. Okay, so the Asian session just opened. So we have here my 150K account, and those are basically all the parameters that you're gonna need. And so, like, you will see like how much I make and all the stuff like that. So, yeah, let's see what we can do. So, for sure, we're gonna target those lows here. Let me clean up just the chart quickly. Okay. So probably we're gonna go take those lows here, and maybe my final TP will be this one. Just because I don't expect the Asian session to go that low for today. Probably we're gonna reach those levels here tomorrow with the London or the New York. So yeah, let's just wait for some liquidity sweep, some manipulation, maybe some SMT divergence, and yeah. So what I really would like to see it is an SMT divergence, but I don't know if we can have it for today. Uh, a great thing will be to at least get those highs right here, but I'm not really sure we can do that. So here it is the first presentation for value gap. So here we go. Um, yeah, at the end of this candle, it will be formed. Okay. So like this is the type of thing I was trying to let you see yesterday. That basically you can see the size of the orders. For example, in the Asian, I use 10 because there are less orders and they're smaller than the other sessions. And I can what I can see is that this move is basically a move that like big buyers stepped into, and they're also getting a follow through because this candle closed above this high right here. But if we can reach this level, okay, right here, we can have uh like the price will move a lot fast in the downside direction because all those people here that bought probably here or here are gonna they're gonna need to place the stop loss, right? So what place it is for a good stop loss? Or here, you can place it here under the order block. It is fine. Also, I think I will probably go under this low here, or you can also place it right here. So that's why I'm saying that probably we're gonna get a really big push down um, if we get to this level to basically because those people here are selling at whatever price they're willing to pay to exit the trade. So okay, so the price is moving nicely. We're coming back into the fair value gap. Some people say that you can trace the fair value gap like this, like using also the week, because the week now is not going over the 50%. But I don't know, I'm just used to trade like this, so yeah. So this might be actually a continuation if we don't inverse this. So if we don't inverse that, probably I'm gonna wait for a retrace, and after that we'll see. But for now, there is no trades for me. Like here, we got an SMT that we're no. Yeah, those highs here are still protected. So actually, we did get the SMT divergence at those highs right here because we didn't sweep those highs. And in with Nasdaq, we did also those. So yeah, probably it's fine to use that, but let's see. Okay, okay, let's see. I need the closure. Let's not hope for like a big fall down instantly. Damn, this is already too much. Damn. I hope for a comeback, but I'm sure enough he will never come back. Yeah, yeah. Um, I'm not willing to, yeah, fuck me. Every fucking time, bro. But even like this, there is no way to despair. Like you missed a trade. It's fine. It's not a problem. You get pissed off, yeah, but it is what it is. We may actually also come back to get those to get the confirmation on the first presentation for Valley Gap, but probably we are never getting the retrace because there is like really short volumes here in the Asian, so I don't believe in a huge comeback. We can actually like if it forms if it comes back to also here in this area right here, there is the bearish fair value gap here that we can use. The risk reward will be fucked up a little, but I actually don't care. Also, we missed those lows, and no, those are not equal lows. Okay. But anyways, guys, when you see stuff like those, like stuff like this happening, um, like for experience, don't enter the trade because Sometimes it will just go and take all your levels. You will be happy because like even you got the trade late, it is fine. You make money, but like most of the times the price will try to retrace, and if the price do that, like your stop loss will be never here. So you will lose. If your stop loss is here, you will lose a lot. If your stop loss will be not here, you're like guaranteed to lose. So that's why you need to be patient and just wait for more confirmation. And like see it in this way, like every trade that you miss is a trade that you're guaranteed to not lose. Okay? So like there is no mistake in like a losing a trade, because it's basically like uh yeah, it's better to get a trade that you're really confident into and you're stepping in the right moment, instead of like a rush trade that like you will be like you have risk reward that's messed up. Like I'm talking about stuff lower than 1 to 1, or uh, I would say also like 1 to 2, almost like 1.8, 1.6, 1.5. There is no I mean there is no like it's not wrong to place a trade in 1.5 risk reward, but like if you're usually trading with 1.5, okay, risk reward, that's totally fine. But if you need to change your strategy, you usually never play some like risk reward under 1.1 to 3 or 1 to 2 or stuff like that. It's never good to like trying to rush in. So here we got the thing. Let me wait for some sensitivity here. Uh, I don't think it is good. I'm really sure that it is not good to enter in a short. Maybe. Mm. It is a really strong for value gap, I will say, but I think we're probably going to reverse it and then trying to go long from here. I'm not really quite sure what they're willing to do. Probably maybe probably like get all this buy side liquidity first and then reverse, maybe with the London session, but I'm not quite sure. We did inverse it, but I still think that we're good. Like the S&T is here also on the 5 minute. Mm, Yeah. I'm feeling very confident about this trade. Mm, maybe it's too much under risked. Let's see, maybe we can add some other contract when we're in red, or maybe let's just wait for some more confirmation. Maybe we end up reversing this fair value gap here, and probably will be nice to see something like that happening. Mm, let's see. Like all the confluences are there, so yep, we did it. Uh, sensitivity. Yeah, okay. No, fuck. Uh, damn. Yeah, I misclicked. Okay, we got worse position than before. It's fine. I will say if my trade is being respected. Um, let's do this because I don't want that much of a risk over here. I would like to see like around 500. This is completely fine for me. So let's place the take profits. I will say here it's completely fine. So we got 22. I'm willing to get those out. Um, like at least here, not 10, but maybe 6. Yeah, yeah, let's do this. And then, and then, hmm, and then I don't know. There is not that much of like, yeah, I don't know why on the chart there is a huge gap here. Uh, I'm not really quite sure. We can probably also take half of it, but I don't want to get too greedy because this is not that much of like a, a move. So yeah, this seems that we're gonna get filled. I said field, man, bro. Don't do it to me. You cannot do some stupid shit like that. Like those are equal lows. Let's add maybe two also here. Okay. It's just because we got 22 contracts here. Come on, man. Stop doing bullshits. But actually, we got the. mm, I will really love to place my stop loss break even, but let's not do that for now. Come on, man. I don't like disclosure. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Like I think we can also probably go here. Because actually we didn't close lower than this, but like the pressure put the price here. So, and we are really likely to visit those lows because those are equal lows, and this is a very strong draws on liquidity. So we open at 43.25. 43.25 around here. My stop loss is here, and my TP for now it's here. So it's 4.1, and I will say it is really good. Well, actually, my stop loss was here before, so let's do that because yeah, good sensitivity from this re-inverse fair value gap. Come on, man. Don't let me work too much for those probably like 200. No, not even 200, like 170. But as I said, this is still an eval, so it is not a funded really. So for the moment, just let's wait that either our stop loss or our first TP gets hit, and then we're gonna place the other orders. But I will not believe that the price it is not trying to get those lows here. Um, okay, yeah, we didn't got any SMT divergence from the downside. That's really good. Come on. Come on. Man, you can do it. I believe in you. Yes. Yes. That's the right direction. Not that one. Okay, as I thought, bitch. And see, like we got a really good down movement because all this buy side pressure was basically those contract here that needed to be filled. So like they got filled here, here, and here. So I'm going break even because basically we no, actually we didn't. I was completely sure that we did form an order block here. But yeah, actually it is not looking pretty solid. So just to avoid everything, I'm gonna place my stop loss break even. So we're not gonna risk anything. Okay. So since our fair value gap here hold it to like really strongly, we can also place the stop loss here and just hopes that it is not going to get hit. I completely think that this is going to reverse. Um, yeah, though we got those equal lows here. Fuck. I prefer the S&T divergence, so I was more confident um to exit the trade and then trying to get a reversal out of it. For my strategy, I will not do that because it is not in my strategy. But yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. So I'm gonna just close it, all of it. Okay. So we made 364 in profit. It is not actually really good, but it is fine. We got a bad feel here. Like actually, we didn't. It was pretty good actually. Um, I was just doing some weird shits with the buy and the sell button. What we said our stop loss was here. Yeah, it was basically here. So we're gonna see if we basically got 80 bucks for free or if we didn't. Hmm. I don't know, like it is going in a weird way, I would say, because it is giving me pretty like good confirmation that the price is willing to go lower, but it is really strong on the upside, so I'm not quite sure. Like for sure I wasted a lot of money here. Uh will like will they ever close like here? Probably never. Also because we got basically the inversion of this for value gap here. So probably I wouldn't close if I was still in the trade. Um, But yeah, anyways, I think that's it for today. Let's see just a few seconds if the price is really going to my old break even. It could be this. No, those are still equal highs. How the fuck is possible? Uh, so we still didn't got another SMT divergence to the downside. If I see like some good confirmation that the price is willing to reverse, like I mean not reverse, but to get some confirmation on the continuation of the downtrend, I will probably step in again, but I don't really think that we have that. For the moment, this looks like an SMT divergence to the upside, but it's still not formed, so this looks like a really huge SMT divergence to the downside. You know what, guys? I'm really concerned about this. Yeah, this is the break even. So let's maybe wait for another reinversion if we ever have we ever have that. And now we did make an SMT divergence on the upside. Yeah, now the market is kind of choppy. It's giving me confirmation for the upside and also the downside at the same time, and it's not something that I really enjoy to see. So yeah, probably I'm gonna end this video here. Don't wanna make it too long. So we made $364 in profit and 80 cents, and so this is still good. I know it's not the much, but every day you end up in a green day, it's not a red day. So so yeah, we still need a long road to get to the 159,000. But yeah, yeah, see, like the market is very strange here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. This will help me a lot. Also, because the YouTube channel is basically new. So yeah, have a good day.